Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide locked chat in WhatsApp. Here you can see I'm going to WhatsApp, and you can see here is locked chat option. That means I have few number that was locked by me, and if you want to hide all the locked number, then go to three dot menu and check lock setting, and you can hide lock chat, and also you can add a secret code so that nobody can log in or can find your chat history or locked number. So if you want to hide lock chat, then click here and then click to use my secret code and apply any number, any code here to hide lock chat. So now if you want to turn off, then click here and then turn off. Click to, here you can see the turn off option. Click here and then click to continue, and that's it. It's now turned off. That's it. You can hide your locked chat using password or security code. I think this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share, and subscribe.